How to fix WhatsApp date and time 2026. If you're getting your date is inaccurate error on WhatsApp, first of all, WhatsApp does not have its own clock or time settings. It will look at the time from your device. So whatever time and date you have on your device, it is just going to read that and tell you that your date and time is inaccurate. In order to solve this, you simply have to change the date and time of your device itself. So depending upon whether you're using iPhone or Android, you can simply open up your respective settings application and go to the date and time settings. On my Android, I can just find date and time settings here. One thing I can do is I can just turn on set time automatically so that it will extract the time from my location automatically along with the time zone as well. Or you can also choose this manually and correct and change your date and time, and once done, you'll be able to use WhatsApp without that issue. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.